Welcome students. I Mrs. Vaishali Shinde welcome you all in a joyful journey of learning maths. Students, in this module we are going to study chapter number 2, number work. Actually, we are not going to study anything new in this lesson. Students, are you wondering why I am saying so? Yes, I said this because this lesson is actually the revision of whatever you have learned till standard 4th. So, let us revise once what you have learned in standard 4. You have learned how to write and read the numbers. Also, you have learned how to write the numbers in figures and in words. You have studied Devanagari numerals and international numerals. You have studied Indian currency, that is rupees. Means you all are very well aware about coins and notes. You have studied the comparison of numbers. You have also studied how to arrange the numbers in descending and in ascending order. Let us start with problem set 2. Question number 1 is using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, write 10 each of 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers. Read the numbers. Here given digits are 0 to 9. So let's make a 2 digit number. A 2 digit number will have 2 places, tens and units. Therefore, we need to select any 2 digits from the given digits to make a 2 digit number. I have taken 7 in the units place and 5 in the tens place, as you can see in the table. Therefore, place value of 7 is 7 and place value of 5 is 50. And here we got our 2 digit number, that is 57. Similarly, you can make your own 2 digit numbers and write in words also. Let's make a 3 digit number. A 3 digit number will have 3 places, hundreds, tens and units. Therefore, we need to select any 3 digits from the given digits to make a 3 digit number. I have taken 1 in the units place, 2 in the tens place and 6 in the hundreds place. Therefore, place value of 1 is 1, place value of 2 is 20 and the place value of 6 is 600. And here we got our 3 digit number, that is 621. In this way, you have to make your own 3 digit numbers and write in words as I have shown in the table. Let's make a 4 digit number. A 4 digit number will have 4 places, thousands, hundreds, tens and units. Therefore, we need to select any 4 digits from the given digits to make a 4 digit number. I have taken 9 in units place, 8 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place and 3 in thousands place. Therefore, place value of 9 is 9, place value of 8 is 80, place value of 4 is 400 and place value of 3 is 3000. Therefore, here we got our 4-digit number as 3489. Similarly, you can make your own 4-digit numbers and write in words also. Example 2. As a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Jila Parishad schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and greengrocers. Read the taluka-wise numbers of the bags and write the numbers in words. Here, 2 talukas are mentioned, namely Kopargaon and Shevgaon, along with the number of paper bags made. Let us see the number of paper bags made in taluka Kopargaon. In this number, 0 is in the units place, 4 is in the tens place, 7 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the thousands place and 1 is in the 10,000s place. Therefore, the number can be written as 12,740. The number of paper bags made in Shevgaon is also a 5-digit number and it can be written as 28,395. Next question is, write the biggest and the smallest 5-digit number that can be made using the digits 4, 5, 0, 3, 7 only once. Here, the given digits are 4, 5, 0, 3 and 7. So, let's make the biggest 5-digit number. To get the biggest 5-digit number, we have to arrange the given digits in descending order. So here we got our biggest 5-digit number as 75,430. Now let's make smallest 5-digit number using given digits. To get the smallest number, we have to arrange the given digits in ascending order. Ascending order of given digit is 0, 3, 4, 5, 7 and the number formed is 3,457, which is a 4-digit number because 0 in the extreme left place does not have any value. But we have to make a smallest 5-digit number. Therefore, we write next smallest number, that is 3 in the extreme left place. Then we write 0, 4, 5 and 7. In this way, we got smallest 5-digit number as 30,457. Example 4. The names of some places and their populations are given below. Which place has the greater population, Morwada or Morgaon. Here, some names of the places are mentioned along with their populations. And we have to find out the place of greater population between Morgaon and Morwada. Population of Morgaon is 87,012. Population of Morwada is 85,890. And here both are 5-digit numbers. Therefore, the number with the bigger 10,000s digit is the bigger number. But here in these numbers, there are same digits in 10,000s place, and that digit is 8. Now we have to look at the thousands digit to determine the smaller and a bigger number. Here in the population of Morgaon, the digit in thousands place is 7, and in the population of Morwada, the digit in thousands place is 5. 7 is greater than 5. Therefore, the population of Morgaon is greater than the population of Morwada. Next question. Fill in the blanks in the table below. Here in the table, international numerals from 0 to 9 are given along with the Devanagari numerals. With help of this, you have to complete the given table. In the table, 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit international numerals are given, and we have to write that numbers in Devanagari numerals as shown in the table. Similarly, you can make your own international numerals and practice to write it in Devanagari numerals. Students, till now we have learned how to read, write and compare 5-digit numbers. Now we will learn how to read and write a 6-digit number. You all are very well aware about the places and the place values of the digits in a 5-digit number. In a 6-digit number, the place on the left of the 10,000s place is called as lakhs place, and its place value is 1 lakh. In the given 6-digit number, the digit in lakhs place is 4. Therefore, its place value is 4 lakh. And the number can be read as 4,36,810. Some more examples are given in the table. Is read the numbers and write them in figures. 9,03,027. When writing the numbers in figures, always write the digit in the highest place first, and then in each of the next smaller places. Here there are 9 lakhs in this number. So we write 9 in the lakhs place. Here in the given number, 10,000s are not there. Therefore, we write 0 in the 10,000s place. As there are 3 thousands, we write 3 in the thousands place. We write 0 in the hundreds place as there are no hundreds. 27 is equal to 2 tens and 7 units. Therefore, we write 2 in the tens place and 7 in the units place. Some more examples are shown in the table. Next question is, make 5 6-digit numbers each time using any of the digits 0 to 9 only once. Here, given digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here, I have shown two 6-digit numbers made by using the given digits. But in the first number, I have used digit 6 two times. Therefore, it is not the correct answer, as we have to use given digit each time only once. Second number is the correct answer because any of the given digit is not repeated in that number. I have shown various ways to make a 6-digit number in the table. In the first number, I have taken the digits from 1 to 6 and I have arranged the same digit once in the ascending order and once in the descending order. In second number, I have taken digits from 2 to 7 once in the ascending order and once in the descending order. Similarly, you can try various combinations of given digits to get 6-digit number, or you can select the digits randomly from the given digits. Next question is, find out the total amount. 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees and 14 notes of 10 rupees. 20 currency notes of 1000 rupees denomination makes 20,000 rupees. 5 currency notes of 100 rupees denomination makes 500 rupees. And 14 currency notes of 10 rupees denomination makes 140 rupees. Therefore, adding all together, we get 20,640 rupees. Here are some questions for practice. Thank you.